Hello, everyone. I've prepared another batch of awesome home hacks for you that you wish you knew sooner. Let's get started. Ladies, want to make perfect poached eggs with silky whites and a runny yolk, just like in restaurants? Here's a foolproof trick. Heat a pot of water until it simmers gently. Don't let it boil too hard. Lightly oil a soup ladle to prevent sticking. Crack an egg into the ladle, then slowly lower it into the hot water. Hold it for about a minute until the whites begin to set, then gently slide the egg into the pot. Carefully remove and enjoy. With this simple method, breakfast will feel like a special treat every morning. Ever wished your morning meal would stay warm longer? Here's a genius hack. Take a fresh toilet paper roll and wrap it in aluminum foil with the shiny side facing out. Seal one end by twisting it. Then gently remove the cardboard roll inside. And there you have it, a simple DIY food warmer that helps keep your meals warm longer. Perfect for busy mornings when you're multitasking. Carrying large water containers can be tough. But here's a simple fix. All you need is a strong rope. Just follow along and I'll show you exactly how to do it. In just a few seconds, you'll have a sturdy handle that makes carrying those big water jugs a breeze. Have you ever tried this trick before? Let me know in the comments. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Here's a simple trick to make it quicker and even enjoyable. Grab an old sock, a glass jar, and some water. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil into the jar: lavender for relaxation, citrus for freshness, or eucalyptus for a spa-like feel. Soak the sock in the mixture. Squeeze out the excess, then slip it onto your hand like a glove. Now, wipe down surfaces effortlessly while leaving a refreshing scent behind. Want to make your dinner table look elegant without spending a fortune? Try folding your napkins into beautiful shapes. Follow along in the video for step-by-step instructions. It's a small touch that makes every meal feel special. Reusing glass jars is great, but peeling off those sticky labels? Not so fun. Here's a no-fuss solution. Mix cooking oil with salt and rub it onto the label. The oil breaks down the adhesive while the salt acts as a gentle scrub. In just a few minutes, your jar will be spotless and ready to be repurposed. What do you like using old glass jars for? Let me know. Instead of throwing away plastic bottles, let's turn them into beautiful vases. Simply cut off the top of the bottle and glue wooden chopsticks around the sides. And just like that, you have a chic and eco-friendly vase for your home. With just some ribbon and a ruler, you can make stunning DIY flowers. Wrap the ribbon around the ruler. Secure it with double-sided tape. Then gently pull it off and wrap it around a floral stem. And there you go, a gorgeous handmade flower to brighten up any space. Would you like to see more DIY decor ideas? Let me know. Have you ever tried wrapping a candle in aluminum foil? This little trick not only makes your candles look elegant, but also enhances their burn time. Take a regular white candle and wrap it in aluminum foil, leaving the top and bottom open. Place it inside a glass jar and secure it by melting a little wax at the bottom. Pour warm water into the jar and add a few cloves. These smell divine and even keep bugs away. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Light the candle and enjoy the cozy, fragrant glow. Isn't it amazing how little details can make a big difference? Want to add a personal touch to your t-shirts? Cut out a design from paper and wrap it in plastic wrap. Place it on the shirt and iron over it for a few seconds. The heat will bond the plastic wrap to the fabric, creating a fun and unique design. Try it out and show me your creations in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.